shake the hair a bit. A phytoprotein mist. As you know, hair is made of keratin. Keratin is a protein. So this is going to rebuild the hair and protect from the heat of the blow dry. Again, nurturing drops gives you nourishing to the hair. The consistency is amazing. It doesn't overweight the hair. It's a lovely product. I use it on every client. And glossy nectar is at the end. After the blow dry, you polish it. It's anti-static. Volumizing root spray. This will help you to have a nice blow dry at home. You spray in the roots, and I'll show you how. And you spray directly in the roots, like this. 1, 2. Not too much, because it's a great product and it works really well. You take another section with your finger. So you put the products in the top area. There's no need of doing here, because here we don't want to add any volume. Once you do that, you massage just to make sure the product is spread on the scalp nicely. Second product I will apply, protein mist. This goes apart from the roots, everywhere else. Spray from a distance. And this will protect the hair from blow dry, from the heat, and at the same time rebuild the weak ends. And last thing, nurturing drops. Just a small amount, and rub it through the ends. Alright, so we're ready to start the blow dryer. So a few important things before I start is how to give body in this area. So a good blow dry is not made with a brush. A good blow dry is made by understanding how to give volume. And volume is given before you use the brush. You work upwards with your fingers all in the top part. So all this area you blow dry with a hair dryer from bottom to the top and your fingers going up. Once you have taken off like 60% of water, is take sections like this on the top of your head, keep it like that up, wrap it around your fingers, like that. So once you have the volume, it's easy to finish it off with the brush. So now we're going to go upside down. And finish off removing the water. Okay. So once you've done that, the last thing to do is to polish those ends. And what I will do, I will use a bit more of the glossy nectar, which is what we use for at the end of a blow dry. And we just work on the blunt ends. Okay. So now what you do is you divide the hair in 4 parts, 4 big parts. So middle section with your finger all the way to the back, and then you make another section on each side like that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. You take this bigger section and twist with your fingers like that, and at the same time use the hair dryer where you are twisting. So you see, with your fingers only, you are going to close the cuticle like it was a hairbrush, because hair needs a bit of heat and a bit of love, and then you can make the same blow dry as you would do with the brush. You take another big section of the 4 big sections you took, and you do the same thing. So as you can see, just with your hands, I haven't touched the brush yet, so by warming up and wrapping the hair around your fingers, you should end up with something like this. If you want, the only thing you can do with the brush, but just as a last thing, use a small brush like this one, not too small, and just take those ends, like just the ends, and just polish it. So now what we do, we go upside down again. Before we do that, I will use a sea salt spray. Always sea salt spray, the best sea salt I've found so far. And you go upside down. Shake the hair a bit. The sea salt gives you that little extra crunchy that works really good on long hair like this, and also on beach kind of hair. So she has kind of beach color, as you can see, like a color that has been going lighter in the sun. So you crunch it a bit like that, up.
Wow, daddy. Yeah, I love it.
And she should be ready.
Yes.
So you got.
Go to the kitchen and cook.
I hope this has been helpful for you at home during the pandemic, and also after that. Why not?
Thank you.
I've been coming for a long time. Grew up with the shook type. Fell in with the wrong type.